Tom has some $2 and $5 notes. He has twice as many $2 notes as $5 notes. He has $504 altogether. How many $2 notes does he have? Now, to do this question, we can group two $2 notes together with one $5 notes. So in one group, we'll have 2 times of the $2 notes, and we'll have 1 times of the $5 notes. And the value of one group can then be found. $2 times $2 plus 1 times $5, and this will give us $4 plus $5, $9. Alright, so of course this person has $504 altogether, which means that there's definitely more than one of these groups. So next step is to find the number of groups. Alright, so that will be 504 divided by $9. Which will give us $56, or rather 56 groups, not $56. So how many $2 notes does he have? In each group there are 2 $2 notes, so there are 56 groups. That will be 56 times 2, 112 $2 notes. Final answer for this question.